Hi, Taylor Swift just released her last album, so today we're going to learn the choreography of the Fate of Ophelia. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are learning French, please check my tutorial of the choreography in French on my channel. So for this choreography, you only need a quick warm-up, but still warm up a little bit before you start. So, as usual, we're going to do in mirror, meaning your right is my left and your left is my right. So you can just copy. So we're going to start facing you left front diagonal with your hands behind your back like that. And we're just going to do the head on 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do the feet. So we're going to lift the heels, lift the toes, lift the heels, lift the toes. Okay? Again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to bend your knees when you do the heels, and you're going to stretch when you do the toes. And bend your knees and stretch. So Taylor is saying the land. So we're going to do this movement. The land, the sea, the sky. Again, the land, the sea, the sky. Yeah, for the sky, it's not like a nice big port de bras. Yeah, it's really just here and you open. Yeah? So with the feet, we're gonna do the land, the sea, the sky. With the sky, we're gonna do the steps. Yeah? So let's leave it for later on. Again, just that. The land, the sea, the sky. Yeah? So the land, the sea, a little wave, and the sky. Again, the land, the sea, the sky. Yeah? So, with the feet, so we've done heels, toes, heels, toes. Then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. So we're gonna do right cross in front, left go back, right to the side, and you're gonna close. Again, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the arms, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 7, 8, there are going to be other arms, but let's see that in a minute. So again, just the feet from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, everything together with the head. Yeah, we're starting with the head from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, we've done 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's finish this arm. We've done 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna put your right hand on your chest and the other hand is gonna flex. Yeah, your arm is straight. So we're gonna do sky. Yeah, again. So from the beginning, after the head, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so the counts are pretty straightforward. Yeah, so it's really one count for each step. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 counts for the arms movement, 1 count for the feet. Yeah, last time, and then we'll go forward from the beginning with the head. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we do little wave, and the hip gonna go to the left. Yes, here. So to allow a little bit more movement, you're gonna bend your opposite leg. Yeah, so if the hip's going to the left, you're gonna bend your right leg. Yes, so we're over here and we do 1. Again, little wave, 1. The other arm is gonna go above. Again, 1, 2. You're gonna wrap around your waist and snap your finger. Again, so we here. And 1, 2, other hand around and snap. And when you snap, your hip is gonna go the other way. Again, slowly. Yeah, it's not really hard, but it can be a bit tricky because they're very unusual movements. Yeah, so from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again from here. So we've done 2, 3, 4. Again, just that, I will go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna jam. 5, 6, 7, 8. So with the fist, yes, both hands, and then the hip is gonna go the opposite way of the fist, that of the arm that's going up. So opposite way of the arm is going up, and you can add the head as well. Yeah, so again from that part, slowly. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, just the arm. Let's leave the hip for a moment. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, again with hip and everything. So we've done that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, and then we'll do from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. The land, the sea, the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time from the beginning, and then we'll go forward. This choreography is not long at all. 5, 6, 7, 8. The land, the sea, the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to circle with a pelvis. Yes? So you're going to take a step with the right leg and you're going to circle from left, back, right, left, back, right, left, back, right, 3 times. So again, 1 time, 2, and 3 times. And you take 2 counts to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? With the hands. So behind the head for the first one. So we're going to do 1, 2. Then the right arm is going to come down from the side. 3, 4. And the left arm is going to go down like that from forward. Yeah. So again from that part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're gonna pop, pop. So when we pop, the hands on the knees and the knees are really bent. Pop. And then we stretch a little bit the leg, but not completely. So the pop is a little bit easier. Yeah. And the hands are gonna be on the lower back. And you're gonna try to pull your elbows back as much as you can. Yeah, the position is not super comfortable, but that's the way it is. Yeah, so here and pop. Yeah, again, so we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pop, pop, on 7, 8. And then you're just gonna throw the arms and they come back softly. Yes, you can be on your demi point as well if you want. And boom, 1, 2, come back 3, 4. Okay, again from this spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pop, pop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. And 1, 2, right arm, left arm, and pop, pop, and finish. Let's try from this spot. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again from that part, and then we'll go from the beginning slowly. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top, not too fast yet. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do it a bit faster. Breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. To see the performance with the music, the links are in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like. See you next time for another choreography. Bye!